Hi, in this problem we're going to find the derivative of this function. So the first thing we're going to do is rewrite these square roots in a better way. Recall that the square root of x is the same thing as x to the 1/2. That's going to allow us to use the power rule to help differentiate this. So I'll start by rewriting the outside square root. So we have sine, so parentheses, and then this one's also a square root, so we can write it as x to the 1/2. And then I'm going to close the parentheses, and so this parentheses here is replacing this outer square root, so this is also 1/2. So the outer square root has been replaced with something to the 1/2 power, and the square root of x has been replaced with x to the 1/2 power. Okay, now let's go ahead and carefully take the derivative. We're going to use the chain rule multiple times. So we have something to a power. So this something here, this is the inside piece, and so we're going to use the chain rule. So the outside piece is something to the x to the 1/2, so y prime. So we're going to bring down the 1/2, and then we'll leave the inside untouched. So this is sine x to the 1/2. And then you subtract 1 from the exponent. So 1/2 minus 1 is negative 1/2 times, and now we have to multiply by the derivative of the inside. So this is the inside function. I'm going to put parentheses here just to emphasize that they are there. So we have to take the derivative of this. Well, again, it's another chain rule. Our outside function is sine. Our inside function is x to the 1/2. So take the derivative of sine, that's cosine. Again, leave the inside untouched. And then one more time, go inside again, bring down the 1/2, subtract 1, and then you get negative 1/2. So you have to go inside multiple times. So you bring down the 1/2, leave the inside untouched, times the derivative of the inside. And then go again to the inside, times the derivative of the inside. And that's pretty much it. Let's go ahead and clean it up. Let's put the 1/2s out front. So 1/2 times 1/2 is 1/4. So we have y prime equals, so 1/4, and then I'm going to go ahead and bring these downstairs because I'll make these positive. So watch this. I'm going to leave the cosine like this upstairs. So cosine, and let's write it as the square root of x. Okay, so I just took care of this, and this. So now all it's left is these things with negative exponents. They're going to come downstairs, they'll become positive exponents, and they'll turn into square roots like this. Sine square root of x, like that. And then this one, same thing, it'll come down and become a square root. So for example, this one will come down and it'll look like this, okay? And then it'll become a square root. So I did the same thing here, right? I brought this one down and it becomes a square root. And that's it. That would be the derivative. Kind of a nice exercise and thought process in chain rule. Good luck.